Thanks to ENTINA for sending us this 3D printer. We really appreciate ENTINA for sending us this 3D printer. Thank you very much. We are gonna get the most out of it. And here it is, the 3D printer itself. This is for beginner level, so check the link in the description. I really like when I get the new toys. Look at this 3D printer. I know it's small, but like I say, it's for Thomas and friends. We can do a lot of things. It comes with an extra nozzle, some accessories, PLA filament, power pack, and it's not only that. They were very kind to send me 4 rolls. Look at that, guys. I have no idea what I'm going to do with this, but I have a lot of material to work with. We have blue, black, white, and red. Thank you very much, ENTINA. So I have my first print. Not bad for the first print. Imagine what else we can do with this. So it's my first try. I'm not an expert in anything and nothing about 3D printing, but this thing is very easy to use, kid friendly. You've seen it in action. Check the link in the description. Good product.